Welcome to STEM for Girls, where creativity meets curiosity. Let's explore hands-on activities that connect science, skilled trades, technology, engineering, and math to the world around you. Have you ever wanted to view a solar eclipse safely? Today, we're making an eclipse finder. It's a simple tool that uses light and shadows to view the sun indirectly, just like the instruments and filters that astronomers use to study space. You'll need a piece of cardboard or a toilet paper tube, aluminum foil, tape, a pin, a piece of white paper or cardstock, and black paper. First, you'll trace your cardboard tube onto a piece of cardstock and add 3 flaps on each side of the circle, like this. Then you'll cut it out and tape it to the bottom of your cardboard tube. Next, we're going to take a piece of black paper and cut out a piece that can fit inside the center of the tube. Next step, take your pair of scissors and cut out a square opening at the bottom of one end of your tube. Once you have that done, take your piece of cardstock and the circle with 3 flaps and tape it to the bottom of your tube. You should have a small window inside where you can see the top of the cardstock with light coming out from the top of the tube. Next, we'll take a piece of tin foil and put it over the top of the tube. Using a small pin or a pencil, poke a small hole in the center of the tin foil. This is your pinhole projector. If you want to use your eclipse finder, stand with your back to the sun and hold the cardboard up so the light passes through the hole, and let it project onto the white paper below. That little dot is an image of the sun. During an eclipse, you'll see the moon slowly move across it. Astronomers use similar optical principles to design telescopes and solar observation tools. It's all about using light and shadows. So when the next eclipse comes around, you'll have a tool to view it safely, just like the pros. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, every great idea starts with curiosity. Check out more activities, videos, and career inspiration on the STEM for Girls Learning Lab.